Hey friends, if you wish to install OpenSSH server on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now here's the thing. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select optional features. Okay, scroll down and check if you have the OpenSSH server. Please note that the OpenSSH server is different from the OpenSSH client. Click on it and select remove. I am removing it for the sake of this example so that I can show you how it can be installed if you don't have it. So search for SSH here. Okay, you'll find the OpenSSH server in this list. Click on next, select add, and this will add the OpenSSH server to your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.